Hi, my name is Skip Reed, and I'm here at HearBest, and I've just got my new hearing aids and absolutely loving them, knowing that I can call with any questions. I had problems with my Bluetooth. I was able to just call in, talk to them on the phone, and they helped me right over the phone to be able to connect and get the problem fixed. Knowing that if there's any questions at all, I can call in anytime and get someone who will talk to me. So the personalized care has been more than what I expected, but it's exceeded anything I could have thought. Having had a set of hearing aids before, kind of was just said, and that's what you've got. I'm so happy with the quality of hearing that I have now. If you're struggling with your hearing, don't put it off. If your family's telling you you need to do something, do yourself a favor. Go get your hearing tested, find out what it is, and get it taken care of. Your quality of life will improve. You just don't realize how much you're missing until you get it fixed. And then realize the birds are chirping. You thought they had all lost their voices. Your family was mumbling all the time, and you find out they've been speaking fine, that you are the problem. It's changed my wife and I's and our family dynamics, just being able to hear all the conversations. If anyone was looking to get hearing, I would say come to HearBest. You'll be extremely happy with the service that you're provided.